Are you looking for the most searched keywords and topics people are searching on any search engine or any platform? Thus, I got your pack because in this video I'm going to show you the best 5 free tools you can rely on to get your desired data directly to your hand. So now, let's get started. And the first website, that is Toolxox.com. Here you can find this beautiful website packed with amazing tools. Starting with this image editor. Here at the first glance on the homepage of this website, you can actually drop here your image and edit that for free using these customization tools. And here in this left panel, you can find AI tools like text to speech, image upscaler, image generator, face swapper, and much more. And here you can find text contents, like you can essay checker, grammar checker, text summarizer, or even article generator for free. And here you can find this amazing section that says SEO tools. Here you can get your keywords and the most searched keywords and queries in any e-commerce platform or any search engine and social media. So for example, here you can find e-commerce keywords such as Amazon keywords, ePay, Etsy, Noon, Snapdeal, and so on. Or this one for SEO keywords for search engines like Pirate Keywords, Ping, Google, Yahoo, Yandex, and so on. Or even in freelancing platforms like Extract Keywords, Fiverr Keyword Research, Fiverr Gig Index Checker, and Udemy Keywords. And as for social media platforms, here you can get your keywords and the most searched topics around your field, like for Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and so forth. So for example, if I try one of them quickly, so I can actually go to Pinterest keywords, then all you need to do is just insert here your keyword or your query. So I will search for cake for diet, for example, and analyze would provide me with a list of the long tail keywords about your topic. As you see, cake for dietitian, diet people, diet lover, dieters, cake, Easter diet cake, and so on and so forth. And the list goes on. So you can actually use all these long tail keywords to create your articles, to make your social media posts, and the like. So the first website to get your keywords and queries in any search engine and in a social media platform, that is Toolxox.com. And now we can move on to the next website quickly, that is Topbubbleindex.com. For sure, if you are working on print on demand, definitely you heard about this amazing website where you can actually get fancy tags around your design on different print on demand platforms such as Redbubble, Etsy, Merch by Amazon, and such. And here you can find its latest update, this amazing and wonderful section that is keyword tools. Here you can use all these tools for free. You can get the most searched topics on Google, Amazon, ePay, Walmart, Fiverr, YouTube, Zazzle, Flipkart, Pinterest, Facebook, and Craigslist, and so forth. So for example, I will pick one of them, like I will try Pinterest again, and simply insert here your topic, and I will try dog treats, for example, dog treats. Select your target language and country, so I will select the United States and click over the button search, and just in a matter of seconds you will find a more detailed list of these keywords, over 1,000 keywords and long tail keywords topics around your query. It contains questions, phrases, and so on, with different and analytical metrics like intent, the purpose of this search. It could be commercial, navigational, transactional, or informational, with a search volume on Pinterest, with competition index, the ratio between the competition and the search volume, as well as CPC, that stands for cost per click. So you can find different topics and long tail keywords that play around your query and your search term, and the list goes on with different pages. And of course, here you can filter and refine your results based on broad match, phrase match, exact match, questions. You can filter from these columns like competition, index, intent, CPC, include keywords. So you can feel as you are landing on SEMrush or Ahrefs, that is premium websites. But here you can use this amazing website for free. And the third tool that you can rely on to get your keywords and the most searched topics, that is Topicmojo.com. It's an incredible website that helps you more to analyze and dig deeper for social media platforms and search engines to get your keywords and millions of ideas. And of course, it gives you a free plan, so you can sign up for free. Then you'll be taken to this dashboard, and you can find amazing tools, starting with a topic model. As its name suggests, here you can get millions of these ideas about any search term. So I will try something else like pizza, for example, and here weight loss pizza, and Topicmojo will prepare an amazing report for this topic. View report. As you see, weight loss pizza dough, weight gain pizza fat loss, different alternatives to your topic. People are searching already on search engines and different social media platforms. Eating pizza and losing weight, lifetime pizza with your lifestyle, and much more, with sentiment, similarity, and via this one. And the best part here on this amazing topic model, here you can refine all these results based on questions or phrases, shopping, comparison, the best or the versus, or so on, research, and much more. And up there you can find different ways to display these results. You can select this one, grouping phrases, weight loss pizza, furthermore, lastly, weight loss pizza and different thing like Reddit, pays, sauce, and much more, last, short, and so on. Or you can try the tree form, lastly, and in summary, pot, summarized, and so on and so forth. Or using this one based on different social media platforms. But this form needs you to upgrade your account to a premium user that starts for $10 a month. So this tool is topic model. And likewise, social model, you can get the all keywords and the topics people are looking for on social media, questions, AI content. Here you can generate an article about your topic. Search listener, here you can use amazing tool to get the latest topics and search term on Google or any other social media, so you can get ahead of this competition of this specific keyword. Outline the structure of your article, headings, subheadings, frequently asked questions, and the like. Humanize your article, and much more. And one thing left here regarding the Topicmojo, you can find on appsomo.com an amazing deal, lifetime deal, just for $60. Then you can get access to all features on Topicmojo without any limitations. And next tool quickly to get your keywords and topics, that is for sure Answerthepublic.com. Here you can find the best keywords and search topics on different platforms like Google, Bing, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and Instagram. And of course, it gives you 3 daily searches without any registration. And last tool today, that is keywordtool.io. For sure, it's a premium website, but you can use this tool for free to get your keywords. So you can get your topics for different websites like YouTube, Bing, Amazon, ePay, Instagram, Threads, Etsy, Pinterest, and so on. So just you can insert here your topic. But for getting all these analytics, you've got to upgrade and join its premium plan. And here you got to know different websites and tools to get your keywords and the most searched topics around your field and your niche for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.